Nestled within the heart of Stoke-on-Trent lies a district with deep historical roots, Sneyd Green. Though today it may seem like just another suburban neighbourhood, its name and landscape are shaped by centuries of local legacy, aristocratic influence, and industrial change. The story of Sneyd Green begins with the Sneyd family, prominent landowners whose estates spanned across North Staffordshire, including the land where Keele University now stands. The family's influence was so significant, the district itself bears the name, a tribute to their lasting legacy. Keele Hall, the grand family residence of the Sneyds, stood as a symbol of wealth and influence. Over time, their estate would transition from private aristocratic land to the birthplace of higher education, with Keele University established on its grounds. Central to Sneyd Green's accessibility, the growth was Hanley Road, originally a turnpike road. It connected the district to the rest of Stoke-on-Trent, encouraging trade, travel, and eventually suburban growth. Here we have a photo from 1910. Just watch as it transforms into modern day. Throughout its transformation, Sneyd Green retained its sense of identity, the Sneyd Arms pub, still bearing the family's name. Here is a photo of Keele University Lodge, with the Sneyd family's coat of arms on the left side of the gable. In 1769, another big name entered the picture, Josiah Wedgwood, the pioneer of modern pottery. He bought land right here in Sneyd Green and built a grand mansion to celebrate his success. But around 150 years later, in 1913, when it was demolished to make space for a pot bank. As Stoke-on-Trent industrialised, Sneyd Green changed fast. Fields and estates turned into pot banks and rows upon rows of workers' houses. The community started growing. Schools were being built, shops opened. Even today, you'll spot historical architecture, hints of a time when craftsmanship mattered in every corner of life. After centuries of owning the land, the Sneyds sold it off in 1951. For the first time, tenants could actually buy their homes they'd rented for generations. Today, Sneyd Green is a blend of history and modern life. You'll find pubs with hundreds of years of history, houses that were once part of the very first establishment of Sneyd Green's history. Whether you grew up here or just passing through, this place has roots, and they run deep. So next time you walk past the Sneyd Arms or drive down Hanley Road, remember, you're travelling through centuries of legacy. If you've enjoyed this little gem of a tour, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more local stories with big histories. Sneyd Green, it's more than just a name.